I'm Chinese American and I was born with thick black hair. And it's no secret, I love my blonde balayage. I've had it for several years now. My hair is pretty dry and color damaged, so for the past year I've been using the Living Proof Restore line, and it's been great at maintaining my hair. And I am so excited to finally share with you a secret that I've been keeping. Living Proof is launching a new product, and it's a blow dry serum that helps you cut down your blow dry time, and I am so excited to be the face of their new launch. All across Ulta's nationwide, you will find my pictures in store, so I would love if you could snap a photo and send it to me on social media. I love being able to put a face to a username to those of you who are watching my videos. If you could send me a picture of you in Ulta with my photo, it would seriously make my day. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm chronically running late. Just because you're short on time doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your health or beauty. So today I am so excited to partner up with Living Proof to share with you time-saving hacks in the morning, running late hairstyles, and successful morning routine hacks. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click the button here or down below. So without further ado, let's get started! What time is it, Bella? Bella, I'm late, let's go! So for the very first running late hack, I would recommend using the bedtime app to develop a better sleep schedule, because my sleep schedule is very inconsistent. Some days I wake up between 7 and 8 a.m. Other days I am pulling all-nighters, and then on the weekends I can barely wake up before noon. So the bedtime app is amazing at helping me schedule out my sleep so I stay on track, and it helps me wake up feeling more refreshed. High five! Yeah, good girl! Whenever I'm running late in the morning, I try to have a condensed beauty routine, something short and simple. I love products that are multifunctional and helps me cut my morning routine in half. If you have thick hair like me, washing your hair can feel like a marathon event. It can take forever. So what I've been loving is the Living Proof Restore Blowout Concentrate. It's amazing at cutting down the amount of time it takes to blow dry my hair. In the shower, I like to use these two products. It's the Restore Conditioner and Shampoo. Now that my hair is all nice and clean, I'll just take it out of my towel and I'm ready to dry everything. Before I use the Living Proof Restore Blowout Concentrate. It is definitely a lot more frizzier, poofier, and feeling very dry. I'm going to add 1 to 2 pumps of the concentrate into the palm of my hands and just apply it to the ends of my hair. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair. Girl, my old blow dry routine was just way too long. It would take about an hour to an hour and a half. So now all I use is the Restore Blowout Concentrate with my blow dryer. It's a heat and UV protectant all in one, and I feel like my hair feels smoother. It's great for thick and coarse hair, and seriously, a little goes a long way. Here's the final hair using the Living Proof Restore Blowout Concentrate. My hair feels so much smoother, and it definitely dried a lot faster. Usually it takes me about an hour or two just to dry my hair. With the concentrate, it sped up the drying time, and I was quick and out the door. You can purchase this concentrate from Living Proof at Sephora.com, which I will have linked down below. Now I'm going to share with you my top 2 running late hairstyles. These are some of my go-tos whenever I'm feeling like my hair needs a little bit of extra oomph. First, I'm going to part my hair in half. Now I'm going to braid the top half of my hair. I feel like adding a braid makes your hairstyle look more dressy, and it feels like you put in more effort into the way you look. Hairstyle number 2, which is a low ponytail with a ribbon added to it. So I actually got this ribbon off of a shopping bag. Whenever I'm running late, I feel like the first thing that goes out of my mind is food. So what I like to do is to meal prep on the weekends. whenever I'm running late, I can just pick this up from my fridge and I have a nice healthy salad for whenever I'm running late. I like to add on top this Green Goddess salad dressing. It's amazing with avocados, green onion, and lemon juice. A little counterintuitive to spend more time on food, but honestly, I like to have a wholesome meal, especially on the weekdays. Don't you hate it when you're just about to head out the door and you suddenly realize, oh my gosh, I forgot something? A running late hack is to pack the night before. I know this sounds kind of silly, but honestly, it helps me so much. So I like to have an emergency kit full of things in my bag. Girl, if your hair is feeling a little bit greasy and you just need a touch up, I highly recommend dry shampoo. For all of those hair emergencies, definitely throw in a hat like a beret. You never know if it's that time of the month, so pack your tampons or pads. And of course, if you're running late, you're probably feeling very hungry, so I also have some snacks. If your lips are feeling a little bit dry, gotta have that lip balm, some safety pins, just in case you have that clothing emergency. All of these things go into my backpack and I am ready to go out the door in the morning. What should I wear today? The running late hack is to plan your outfits during the weekend. So I like to pick a few things, place it onto my clothing rack, just so throughout the week, whenever I have no idea what to wear, I have these planned outfits ready to go. Being prepared is key. If you have a presentation coming up, be sure to iron your clothing the night before. Minute by minute, we can. Running late hack number 7. If you wake up in the morning and you feel like, oh, you just like to move very slow and you have no sense of time, I highly recommend playing upbeat tempoed music. I like playing music when I'm getting ready, doing my makeup or hair, just so I can move a little bit faster. Songs can usually last between 3 to 5 minutes, so it's a great indication of how much time has passed. Just make me believe in love. If you are always running late, I hope these 7 running late hacks helped you out in some way. Special thank you to my friends at Living Proof for working with me and partnering with me on today's video. Super grateful to be a part of this campaign. So be sure to go to your local Ulta store and to check out my photo in stores and to try out their Blowout Concentrate. I know this is one hair product that you will fall in love with and you totally need to try it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Fashion by Ali. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye! Miss Bella, can you please add to my calendar bedtime app? Running hack. Bella, on my agenda, we also have to read 2 chapters. And also we forgot about our presentation on Monday.